Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs on the function band circuit. Today, still crazy after all these years, a song written and performed by Paul Simon from his fourth solo album of the same name and released in 1975. The song features the Muscle Shoals rhythm section with Barry Beckett playing Fender Rhodes and Michael Brecker playing the sax solo. Song is in the key of G major, modulates to A in the final section. Genre could be anything from pop, soft rock, folk rock. Song arrangement and a basic chord sheet in the description box below. In this video I won't be using the original recording in the background as I usually do. I was blocked from doing that by YouTube. They didn't accept my appeal of fair usage for educational purposes, so I've programmed a melody on the pianoforte and a basic drum track, but it shouldn't take away from the purposes and intentions of sharing how to play this in a quick and easy way for keyboard deck players who play in function bands. Here we go.